Hey folks, Namaskar. Welcome to the Retail News. This is the video of learning section. The daily news is already uploaded on the channel. As the channel is very new and I have just recently started uploading video, please like, share and subscribe, support the channel so that it could motivate me that yes, I can also grow the channel. I can also share my whatever the opinion and knowledge I have regarding the share market and the stocks. Let me tell you one thing, just as a disclaimer, you can say that I'm not a very much experienced investor. I'm not a very heavy amount investor. I'm also a kind of retail investor as you. Maybe that I invest a lot less like than you as well. I work in IT. I'm a IT professional, by the way. So basically, okay, let's get into the brief of about my background. I'm just IT professional who is working in the you can say cloud development, right? So I work as a cloud developer in a cloud development company. So that's about me. So let's talk about this Adani Wilmar, right? So Adani Wilmar is currently trading at 380 rupees and it's zoomed up to 10% today itself. It is not like it suddenly spiked up 10%. It gave you time to purchase and get the profits. But while it's easy to talk while having a look on the charts, right? Once everything is done, everything is closed, like then looking at the past in the chart and talking, yeah, see, this was the bullish pattern, this was the bearish pattern. It's very easy to discuss, it's very easy to talk. I also suffered from the same thing as a retail investor, right? But it's tough to take a decision while the market is running. It's tough to take a decision that yes, at that price, should I buy or not, should I sell or not. It's very tough. And let me tell you something, nobody can predict or nobody can get nobody have the knowledge of accurate buying price or accurate selling price. Nobody can tell that buy here now, it will not get below from here. Whatever the price you are buying, the stock can fall from there as well. Whatever the price you are selling, the stock can go above from there as well. So don't have that notional loss emotions inside you, right? So what is notional loss? Notional loss is nothing but the loss which you think, oh shit, if I would be in the share, I could be in the share, I could have just earned these money, these profits, I just lost it. This is called notional loss, that your money is not lose you are not losing your money, but you are losing the hypothetical profit. So don't get in that trap. Just have a focus. What kind of person you are, a positional trader, a daily trader, or investor. Me personally, I'm not a daily trader, so maybe my suggestions and my opinions won't be very much relevant for the daily trader. I'm a bit of positional and investment both, right? So in Adani Wilmar, we will discuss whether it is worth investing or not. Let's start it. So Adani Wilmar, although it is giving run up, but in past 6 months, it's still minus 11%, right? And in past 1 year, it is negative 41%. So still you are getting approximately at the half of the price or 60% of the rate of its whatever it was at 1 year back, right? So whether it is worth investing right now, should I buy it or not? So let's before jumping into that conclusion, let's have a fundamental analysis. So if you see, today it opened at 348 and yeah, previous close was 346. So and 10% of upper circuit, these all things are very fine, but the market cap is near about 49,000 crore, more than 49,000 crore, and more than a mid cap, right? And like the PE currently is trading at 198.26 at the current price. You will say it's huge. I will agree that yes, it's huge, right? And the EPS fell down year on year minus 64%, which is not a good sign for a company. Any company which is not able to maintain their APS. Increasing is different thing. At least maintain their APS is not good thing, right? But despite this fall in the EPS, still it is trading as at the more than price to book ratio, right? Sorry for my fumble, but it's still trading at more than 6.20 price to book ratio, because its value is only 61.46 rupees, right? And it's a face value of one share. Do you know the face value? If face value is 10, it means uh, it can be split to face value at 1 as well. So it is already split at face value of 1. And looking at the results, like let's see how company is performing in work, how company is earning, how it is performing quarter wise. So quarterly you can see the revenue is declining. The revenue in December was 14,713, and it's all in crore. And currently the latest revenue was 11,719. You can say that we should not compare quarter on quarter, we should compare on year. It is a better thing, right? But in year on year as well, last September revenue was 13,490 crore, and compared to that 11,719 crore is very less revenue for Adani Wilmar, right? And same, you can see the impact on the profits as well. That profit fell down drastically. Actually, it posted a loss of 87% as compared to 62, uh, sorry, not 87%, 87 crore as compared to 62 crore in last year same quarter, right? And you can see that as revenue was falling, the profits are also falling every quarter. 277, then 97, then minus 38, and now minus 87. So, and EPS, if you see the EPS is also falling because the earnings are falling. So do you think it is performing well? I don't think so. Do you think it will perform better in future? Maybe. Do you think on the basis of this we should invest in it? Let's have some furthermore discussion over it. So on the shareholding pattern, it is 1.94 consistent percentage in the promoter's hand. You already know that Adani and Wilmar are the joint venture on the Adani Wilmar. And past news was also there that Adani CFO said that they will think about the divestment, whether they are going to disinvest their share or not in Adani Wilmar within next 3 months. They will take this decision. So let's see. And anyhow, after completion of 3 years of listing, they will have to decrease their stock holding to 75% as well, as per SEBI rules. Then FII is continuously decreasing their stake. DIIs are also continuously decreasing their stake. Public, obviously FII and DII sold their stake in open market. That's why public stake is increased. Others have negligible amount of stake. And institutional mutual fund schemes have decreased. Like now mutual funds are not considering Adani Wilmar in their funds as compared to earlier time what it was considered. And same as FIS and FPIs, four FIS has been just removed Adani Wilmar from their portfolio. So if we look at the peer, that Adani Wilmar's peer is Nestle, Britannia, GlaxoSmith, Jubilant, and other FMCG, because Adani Wilmar works in the FMCG section. So if you see at the PE ratio, that Adani Wilmar is currently trading at 198.26 price to earning ratio, although Nestle is trading at near about 80, Britannia at 47, GlaxoSmith at 38, and Jubilant Food at 156. So Nestle and Britannia are the huge companies, right? The market leaders. So market leaders are trading at 79 and 47 of PE, but Adani Wilmar is at 198 PE, which is approximately 3 times and 4 times or 5 times than Britannia. So, and 3 times than Nestle. So is this valuation justifiable? It would be justifiable if Adani Wilmar would have been performing better than Nestle and Britannia in terms of growth, in terms of revenue, in terms of profits. But we already saw in the Adani Wilmar's performance that revenue is continuously decreasing, and earnings are continuously decreasing, profits are continuously decreasing, and so as the EPS as well. So if the company is continuously performing bad and bad and bad, then how come we are it is justifiable to pay it more and more and more in terms of share price? This is uh like illogical for me, right? Maybe that Adani group is having very good news nowadays. Maybe this is the reason that Adani groups are just boosting like nothing, because as you know, people sells in panic. When Adani shares were on 4,000, 3,000, and Hindenburg news came, everybody was selling. Everybody was selling. And from 4,000, Adani Enterprises fell to 1,000. So people sells in panic. They don't think anything. And so on, people comes in FOMO when shares starts running up. So people thinks that, oh, Adani started running now, maybe it will go to 400, 500, 600, and I am not denying it. Maybe it will go, but it is a good investment. Is it a good investment? But just ask yourself, is it a good investment? The company which is not performing good, the company which is not posting a good results, is it good investment to invest those in that share? If you are convinced, you can go ahead for the investment. But as per the fundamental analysis, I don't think that Adani Wilmar at current valuation is good to invest. But market just works on market works don't works only on fundamentals. Market works on many things. Sometimes share runs in speculation as well, sometimes share runs in news as well. And currently Adani shares are flowing under the news. So maybe new positive news flow will support Adani shares to run more and more and more. But if you want to flow get into that flow, you can invest your money. If you want that, okay, shares are running, I will keep a strict stop loss, I will trade in that. Good, go ahead, your wish. But the point is, if you want to do a long term investment in a share, to have a good returns with a good performance in the company, so Adani Wilmar right now is not standing on the frame correctly, right? So keep your money safe, keep your hard earned money safe, because more than earning, it's you should be giving priority to save your money more. Because if you are not able to keep your money safe, if you are not able to save your money, you won't be earning your money, right? So this was my total analysis on Adani. And have a good day, have a good night, whatever the time you are watching this video. I know that this video is a little bit lengthy, but please bear with me. And right now I'm just learning how to make the videos. Right now may be not 100% able to implement or convey my knowledge in terms of video, because I don't have a regular practice of making a video. So slowly and steadily, gradually, I will definitely learn how to make a proper video. Slowly and gradually, I will make a betterment in my video and myself as well. You can comment down below that what improvements you want, what things I should be consider while making a video, what things I should not be speaking or considering while making a video, what things I'm doing wrong, what things I'm doing correct, and what topics you would like to have a video in future. And please like, share and subscribe. This is a really new channel. This is just second day of the channel when I'm uploading the video. So please support. Your support will motivate me to and encourage me to continue this channel. Thank you so much. Have a good night, have a good day. Thank you so much, folks.